with nothing? Did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on!
A beautiful day to everyone. This is Neo and today we're here with Masashi.
So I'm from PIAA, Tokyo, and I come to the Philippines, and we do a lot of lighting. We do a lot of PIAA stuff in the Philippines and the surrounding all Asia Pacific. So PIAA is a Japanese company. It was founded in 1963 in Tokyo, so we're about 6 years plus in business. And PIAA started as an aftermarket division of an OE manufacturer. So we specialize in the aftermarket for automotive and to motorcycles. So we make not only the spare parts, but we make something more exciting, more features, more fun, more sexy, which makes your motoring, your motorcycling more fun and more safe. That's what we try to, that's the products, the DNA behind our products, which we would like to create and send out to the market.
Okay, talking about products. Since this is a motorcycling channel, so what currently products do you have for motorcycles specifically?
So PIAA, perhaps you may know PIAA from the spot lamps and those 4x4s or Land Cruisers or Jeeps. So we've been doing that for a long time. For the motorcycle market, we started with somewhat kind of an off-road type lamp, which is like 3.5 inches. So it's more for me, perhaps like more adventurous bikes and stuff. So this time we'd like to further evolve to more street style or more kind of multi-purpose, which can be useful for any kind of models, on-road, off-road, manual, automatic scooters, all kinds. It's what we're trying to introduce to the market. Again, PIAA is a Japanese company, so all our products are designed and developed in Japan, in Tokyo. And some products are made in Japan, some products are outsourced to some of the factories of our parent company or some third-party factories. But the quality control, or the design development, the quality control, all belongs to PIAA Japan. And so the QC all is under us. It's not all 100% made in Japan. It's not made by us, but we stand behind our product. We offer a 2-year warranty on all the LED lamps that we sell. So we stand behind our product, and if anything's wrong, through the authorized reseller distributor, we will make sure that you will be happy and stay happy using our products.
So we have here, this is the PIAA 220R. And I would really like to ask, because here in the Philippines, the PIAA horn is more well-known. So, like, what's the plan of PIAA to further push the awareness that you don't just produce horns, you also produce, of course, driving lights. So
it's kind of funny you mentioned that, because PIAA originally is hopefully known for lamps or lights. So for the motorcycle market, I guess we kind of went the opposite way. That because for automotive, it was definitely lamp first, and then we did the horn. So for motorcycle, for whatever reason, the horns came in first. So and thankfully, thank you for everyone that the horn became well known, established a brand here. So it's well settled here. So now, even though originally PIAA was from lamps, but now the motorcycle market doesn't really know about PIAA for the lamps. So now we're just trying to go back to the beginning. So we are originally a lamp company. So if you like our horn, we'd like to introduce our lamp products as well.
So, Mr. Masashi, can you tell us more about the PIAA 220R?
Sure. This is our new PIAA 220R lamp, which is for kind of a multi-purpose motorcycle lamp. 220 came from the size of the lamp, so this is 2.2-inch size. So that's where the name came from. And so this lamp can emit two different colors. So it's a white and yellow, and it also can emit white and yellow at the same time. The kit contains 2 lamps. It also contains the switch unit. So one feature of PIAA lamps, including the 220R, is everything is included. So the lamps, the switch bracket, and so everything is included. You don't really need to buy other parts to install the lamp to your motorcycle. We back up with a 2-year factory warranty for Aura lamps, including 220R. So as long as you buy through our authorized reseller distributor, if anything goes wrong, we will stand behind our product and we will make sure that you are satisfied. Yeah, on my Honda, what I did was I tried to make it a little bit offset to the outside, so I could get a kind of better spray on left and right, because these lamps are pretty bright, are very bright, just one lamp itself. So you don't really need them to cross over each other. I mean, the left and right beams. So what I did was, instead of crossing over, I just make it slightly to overlap each other, but instead just give more broad view, left and right. So maybe this is about the same, but yeah, slightly outside, both left and right. That will give you, of course, distance plus kind of a wide reach among the left and right corners of your vision.
So I believe your inputs are very important. If you have any like recommendations for PIAA, you can actually put it on the comment section. So would it be lights specific for your motorcycle, for the size, for the displacement? And I think PIAA would be really happy to see your comments. So Mr. Masashi?
Yeah, that would be very nice if we could, because it's all matters about, you know, everyone out there, which is actually going to use our products on the streets. So if you can come up with what you feel, what you think, if you could feedback to us, that will be really, really helpful, crucial, I mean, special for me to come up with a new project, which will hopefully suit the Philippine market. So yes, if you could come up, if you have any comments, that will be wonderful. Please let us know.
All right, thank you, Mr. Masashi.
Oh, pleasure. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, so that's it for today's episode. Again, if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to comment down below. Again, this is Neo. As always, ride safe and see you on the road.